first start with a picture frame. Now this is one that you can pick up from a thrift store, or you could also use one that you have laying around the house. This one in particular, the glass broke on, so we won't be using the glass, so that is a good choice for a frame. Take some hot glue and put some hot glue on the backing part of the frame, and then you're going to take your moss and press that into the hot glue. You want to continue to do this until you have the entire backing covered with moss. Your next step is you want to start gluing in your succulents. So in this case I'm using a few different size succulents as well as a few different colors and styles, and just placing them throughout. There is no rhyme or reason to this, so just place them where you feel they look best. And there you have it. Perfect DIY gift for someone on your Christmas list. If you liked this video, remember to give it a like. If you would like to see more DIY projects, remember to subscribe to my channel. And as always, thank you for watching.